Hi, this is Aris again, and sorry, I'll setting my phone. This is to explain to you the isometric view of the firefighting pump room. So basically, we see here the descriptions of the parts, yeah, of the pump room. So we have the fire water tank isolation, electrical pump suction line, jockey pump suction line, electrical pump discharge line, test line, gate valve, jockey pump discharge, flow meter, electrical pump discharge line, and jockey pump discharge line, check valve, eccentric reducer and concentric reducer. So where we can find this thing, no? Of course, inside the water tank we see a anti-vortex plate there, no? So that when this suction line will suck the water outside from the water tank, it will prevent the whirling sounds, no, that will be produced, no, by that function. And after that, it will have a riser going there, and there's a 90 degrees bend over here, and inside the tank itself there's a puddle flange there to give a strong it will be embedded inside strong inside the tank wall. After that, usually this is 200 mm diameter pipe, yeah. So beforehand there's a isolation gate valve over here before it will turn to the suction head, no? And here there's another gate valve, yeah, we call discharge gate valve, and it goes here with the eccentric reducer going to the electrical pump, yeah. So after that, in that pump, of course, there's a casing relief valve over there, yeah, and there's a concentric reducer again, and goes to the check valve. The check valve have a riser going up. Usually it 2.3 meters from the FFL, no, from the FFL. All right. So there's a gate valve over here. This line is what we call discharge line, and it connects down to the manifolds. Here's the manifolds that is connected to the gate valve and the alarm check valve to the fire sprinkler. All right, this is the fire sprinkler line connected to the building. Beforehand, back to the discharge line, there's a gate valve there, and before the gate valve there's another connection over here turning to the left with the gate valve, and this is a 150 mm diameter test line header, yeah. So it's connected here, no, to the other set of suction line, yeah. So if we will be able to see, and we'll be able to see here the connection of the jockey pump, yeah, because this jockey pump this will enforce or assist, yeah, the main electrical pump during the opening of these fighting sprinklers. Yeah, so this jockey pump is connected also to the discharge line with its own gate valve and check valve, and the gate valve to the other side connects to the suction header. Yeah, so it will suck the water over here also. Yeah, going to the discharge line. All right, and in the test line there is a water flow meter with a gate valve, and this one is going to the test line to the water tank. Okay, terminates to the water tank. Yeah, so the same concept, mirror to the other side, and we have this electrical control panel that's controlling the turning on and off of the discharge line. Yeah, the pump itself. So this one is connected here in the center, the other side is in the right most connection, and there's a jockey control panel also to control the jockey pump. Yeah, so that's basically the isometric diagram of the firefighting pump room. All right, and we see this is the section. So usually this is there's a anti-vortex plate, what I've told you about paddle plunge. Yeah, this is section AA. If you will see it in the plan, yeah, there's a section cutting here, AA. So this is what you will see in that section AA. So they've got the section, the suction header, the another gate valve, and all right, and this is the electrical pump. Yeah, and this one is the casing relief. There's a relief valve over here, and this is the concentric reducer again to the gate valve, up to the discharge head. Yeah, and this is the gate valve, and this is connected with other smaller gate valve to the test line. Yeah, with its own flow meter, gate valve, and it bend to the test line return to water tank. All right, usually this one is 2.3 meters, yeah, by design. All right, and this is from this suction head up to the pump, that will be 2.26 meters. Yeah, this is 1 meter, and this is it. All right, so this is the manifold section in the BB section. So we see here, this is the manifold with its end cap over here. So here's the discharge line going up, going down, and this one, it has its own gate valve and alarm check valve, and it goes up, yeah, to the sprinkler system, no? Firefighting and the sprinkler system. This is a firefighting system, sprinkler system, right? And this is also sprinkler system. And lastly, there's a drain connected to the last alarm check valve. Yeah, okay, so you maintain a access distance from the wall. no? In this case this is 1.6, and we've got some section CC. So what you will see in the section CC, it's here, yeah, it's cutting here, right here and there. So this is basically what you will see there, no? So there's electric pumps over there, this discharge header, yeah, there's a wet riser pump, this is the manifold, okay, so there's a jockey pump and suction line with the gate valve, etc, etc. So there's an elevation also of the control panel, yeah, transducer. Alright, and usually this pipe support details, you see the housekeeping pad and U-channel support, the pipe. So it has a treated standard U-bolt, okay, with the MSGI channels, okay. This is the control panel for the jacking pump, yeah. So every control panel, it has its own pressure sensing line and drain, yeah. So bear that in mind, no, for all the panels that you've got. So pressure sensing line from the system, okay. That's it, yeah. This is for the fire pump room. This is very important because you know, to understand basically what inside the fire pump, because maybe the examiner will ask you about this. So this is very important to consider, remembering all of its aspect, no, of the fire pump. That's it. Bye.